it's Nørgaard. So today I'm doing this makeup look and it's using this little OG e.l.f. quad. It's called Blue Moon. So this is all I have on my eyes. I'm really happy with how this look turned out. It's been a long time since I've done something colorful and something dramatic. So if you have this quad at home, here's an idea for a look you can do. And of course, if you do not have this quad, you can always just use similar colors. So don't forget to thumbs up the video if you enjoyed this makeup look and watch in high definition. And without further ado, here comes the tutorial. Okay, so I already have my face makeup on because I'm doing some first impressions videos. So for the eyebrows, I'm going to start out with the Essence Eyebrow Gel in the color brown. And I'm going to use this towards the middle and the back of my brows. And in the inner part, I'm going to use a brow pencil. So I'm doing my brows quite thin and quite arched. That's just kind of how I've been liking to do them lately. So for the inner part of my brow, I'm going to use the Essence Eyebrow Designer in the color Soft Blonde. So that goes right in this area, right here. And I'm going to set my eyebrows with my much loved L'Oreal Brow Plumper. And this one is in the color Light Medium. Now I'm going to use my Rimmel Lasting Finish Breathable Concealer in the color Light Ivory. And I'm just going to clean up my eyebrows. And I'm just going to blend that down. For eyeshadow primer, I'm going to use the one from Milani. And I'm just applying a tiny amount with my finger. This primer goes a long way with only a little bit of product. So now I'm going to use this really cute little e.l.f. Brightening Eye Color Quad in the color Blue Moon. And I'm going to start out with the brown eyeshadow. Actually, you know what? I'm going to start out with the highlights. And I'm just applying this on the brow bone, right on top of the concealer. And I'm applying this first just so I don't accidentally blend the brown color up too high. So now I'm going in with the brown, just right into the crease. That is a very pigmented color. I did the entire crease only by dipping into the palette once. So I'm just going to spend a little time blending out the upper edge and then we can move on. So now I'm doing the other eye exactly the same way. So now I'm going to take the navy color. And this one is also going in the crease. And holy shit, that's pigmented. I haven't used this palette in a while. And I must have forgotten how freaking pigmented these colors actually are. So anyways, I'm applying the navy color into the crease as well. But this time I'm using a more dense blending brush. It's not so fluffy. Okay, so now I'm going to try something I have never done before, but that I have wanted to try. And that is to cut my crease with my concealer. So I'm using my Rimmel concealer that I use to clean up my brow. And I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just going to try and cut this crease. I feel like it's way too round. I need to like bring it down up here. Now I just removed all of my eyeshadow. So that is really messy, but I'm going to try and apply my shadow and then see if I can clean it up once I'm done. So I'm going to use the baby blue and I'm going to pack that on the concealer. Okay, so now I'm going to see if I can blend out this mess. So I'm using a mixture of the dark brown and the navy. And I'm just going along the line. So I'm going to take a bit more of the brown and blending that along the edge. So I'm going to do the same over here. I don't really want to do the same over here, but I kind of have to now that I already did it on this side just to make them even. So I'm going to go in with my concealer. Damn, I just got so much on my lashes. Anyways, I'm going to continue to cut the crease. This is a lot harder than it looks in those YouTube videos. Oh crap, I just got it up here. Okay, I'll have to stop talking. So I'm going to go ahead and do this and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got my cut crease on. So now I'm going to blend out the line, and I'm going to use the navy and my e.l.f. blending eye brush. And this takes a lot of blending. I think I blend for a few minutes actually, because I really want to diminish the line as much as possible. Which, looking back, it makes no sense to do a cut crease and then not wanting the lines. You live and you learn, right? And then I go ahead and blend this out with my brown eyeshadow. So I'm going to use the navy color on my lower lash line. And I'm using my MAC 266. And now I'm just going to use it right along the lower lashes. Then I'm going to take the dark brown. And I'm just going to use that to blend out the navy color. So I just blend it out like that. I blend it quite far down, and there's no particular reason for that. I just felt like being smoky. And finally, for eyeshadows, I go in with the highlighter color in my inner corner. So just right in here. And I'm going to use the e.l.f. Intense Ink Liquid Liner. I feel like this blue eyeshadow is definitely emphasizing my blue under eye circles, which is not so great. So now I go in and do my eyeliner. So that's how my liner turned out today. Quite a thick heavy wing on the outer corner and then very thin in the inner. So now I'm going to try and do this eye to match this one, and I'll be back when I'm done. So now that I have my eyeliner on, I'm going to do my mascara, and I'm going to use L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara in Blackest Black, and this is the waterproof version. And I'm going to apply this top and bottom. And I did already go ahead and curl my lashes before I started applying mascara. Oh shit. Okay, I'm going to remove that mascara smudge once it's dry. In the meantime, I'm going to hit up my bottom lashes off camera. So now I'm going to use Fascinating Eye Kohl by MAC. And I'm just popping that in my waterline. And for lashes, I'm going to try out these new ones I just recently got. These are by XOBeauty, and these are in the style The Brave. So you guys will probably know this already, but in case you don't, XOBeauty is ShanXO's makeup line. And I recently bought the ShanXO palette from BS Cosmetics. And then I went ahead and purchased a pair of, well, 2 pairs of her false lashes. Excuse me. So these ones were very inexpensive. I wanted to get the faux mink lashes, I think they're called. Those looked very beautiful, but they were just too expensive. So I went for the regular kind, and these do look pretty, but they're definitely plastic. They're very shiny. I don't know if you guys can tell, but of course I'm going to try them on before I give you my opinion on them. Okay, so first impression, they're very stiff. They're not that easy to maneuver around. Because they are so stiff, I'm having a little bit of trouble making them fit my eye because they're very round. And my eyes are, well, they're simply not shaped like that. Okay, I got it on. I mean, it is pretty. However, because it is so stiff, I can definitely feel it. It's not poking my eye, it's kind of heavy. However, I will say I do really like this style. I don't have anything like this, and I think it's actually really gorgeous. It's a pretty lash without being super dramatic. So now I'm going ahead and touching up my eyeliner. Okay, so these are the finished eyes. I'm going to do the lips now. So I'm going to use the e.l.f. matte lip color in the color Praline. And I'm going to use this around the outside of my lips. So kind of like a lip liner, but since it is quite a big lip liner, it's going to be a bigger line. That made no sense at all. So I'm outlining my lips and also filling in the corners. And for the rest of my lips, I'm going to use e.l.f. lipstick in the color Nostalgic. Mine is so screwed up, but I just love this color. I cannot give it up. So as you can see, it's a very pale color, and I'm going to use the more Praline. Should I apply a gloss with this? So I'm applying my OG favorite gloss, which is Oyster Girl by MAC. I just love this lip gloss. And this lip gloss will also just make your lips look... Okay, so here we have the finished look. And please excuse my hair, it's at an awkward length and I don't really know what to do about it. But anyways, this is my e.l.f. Blue Moon eyeshadow quad tutorial. I love the way it came out. It's been a long time since I last did a blue look. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'm so happy to be back on YouTube. I cannot wait to do more videos, put out more content, be active on Snapchat, Twitter and Instagram again. So anyways, that is it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Don't forget to thumbs up the video if you enjoyed the makeup look, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. So take care and bye bye!